How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is a mail call and stash ads. And before we get started, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers, and I've gotten quite a few new subscribers here lately. And for those of y'all, I like to do a lot of unboxings. I do a lot of scratch building here and there. I'm not much on tutorials because I'm not a good talker, so I don't do many tutorials. We got a lot of guys in this community good at that, and I'm not one of them. But I like to do a lot of buddy builds, and yeah, I just like to build models and show them off. So for y'all, that's what I like to do. Alright, mail call. I got Joe from Mad Genius. Look at there. Y'all that's not subscribed to him, get over there and subscribe to him. I will leave the description in the link below. And Joe, he builds everything. He does a lot of military builds, planes. Let's see. Him and Ben, they have a where they do their builds. But I think they're both working on airplanes right now. You go check both of them out. But he also does cars and stuff like that. So please go check Joe out. And then, all right, Seamus, our buddy build. I got the stuff in, and I'll try to get back on that as soon as I can. I know you're probably gonna finish before I am. But that's fine if you do. But it's still going to be a little bit. My work schedule's changed. Everything's changed up. That it's just been real hectic, and I really ain't had a lot of time to do any building. But I'm going to try to get some stuff done. And Tom, I got that stuff in that we was talking about, and I'll try to get it started molded up this weekend. I appreciate you, brother. Okay. And then the first ad is... I was listening or watching Gary from Transition Model over there up in Canada. He had did a stash ad, and he'd went up to I think it was Michael's, and he said that they had the new Revell Jaguar XKE type. Well, so I went to our Michael's, and look at there. There it is. The brand new tooling. Awesome kit. James Tester is building the convertible one. Y'all go check him out. James Tester's scale model experiment, whatever. I'll leave it in the description below. James, he knows what I'm talking about. But I've been looking forward to that. I have a crap load of Jaguar kits. I have the Heller Jaguar. I have the old Revell Jaguars. I have Aurora Jaguars. In the XKE, and let's see, I have another one. I can't think of. Oh, the Goon Sanyo, the high-tech kit I have. But by far this kit right here, the detail and everything on that, by far is the best. Now the Goons kit has actual photo etched metal or spoke wheels and stuff, but that's all this needs to be a perfect kit, I think. It's a great kit. Y'all get that if you get a chance. I got it at Michael's. Alright, and y'all remember my last video that I had a eBay score, and I went back to the same seller and got another good deal. And I'll show you. I'll get a big old thing here and show you. It's a big old box. Check that out, guys. I don't know if you can see that. But I'll pull them out individually and show you. There's still deals to be made out there, guys, to be found. $100 for all that. The first one is the Pete Brock. This is the original box you can see right here. That is the original box. And it was from 1973. I have two more of these. I got one I know sitting over here. I got one either in the closet or back behind a bunch of stuff. And I got one built over here in a case. I got one built. I love these Datsun, these Pete Brock Datsuns. I love them. So I got that. And then I got the Pete Brock Bree Datsun, the SCCA champion. That was old John Morton. That's the 240Z. And you can see right there, I think this one was from 1972. There it is right there. I also got another original one just like this. It's up there somewhere. And then, this is not the reissue. This is the original issue. Tom, I don't know exactly what year, but you do, and I'm sure you'll tell me. But there it is. It even comes with a red line tire, blue line tire. But that's the original issue of that. Let's see. For all my Porsche guys, here's an original issue. Richie Ginther, Porsche 914/6. Look there. Picture of him right there. Let's see, here's the side of the box. And here's the other side of the box. And 1972. And then I got two of the exact same kits, so I'll just show you one of them real quick. Okay, this one here, it's a it's road race or rally Porsche, and it shows right here to where you can build the rally version, the silver version, or the red version like it's on the box. Got two of them, so I can build both. They both have the decals. They're old, but I'm sure I can make them work. Right there, you can see how old that is. Some of you older guys, y'all might have been in that club back in the day. This was from 1971. That's the year I was born. So that's a 50-year-old model kit right there. Both of them. Let's see. Here's another one. This ain't the original box. So I think the original box that had flames on it or whatever. It was kind of a goldish color or whatever, but this is probably the second issue of this kit because it was from 1973 right there. You see that? It's the Revell 57 Nomad Street Classic. This thing even has tinted windows in it too. So, and you know, I know it's got the gasser front end. I done look, so you can build it the gasser too. So that was awesome kit. And then this one here is from 74. Of course, there you go. It's an annual. 74 annual. It's got a little box damage right here. You can see that right there. Now, growing up, my mom had a 1974. And hers was maroon. It had the side pipes. And it had the rally wheels when she bought it new. And she took those off and they had the wire spoke wheels on it. Of course, back in the 70s, that was a big thing. I remember burning my legs on the side pipes. She'd shove all three of us back there in the little cubby hole it had. I remember that when we'd all go cruise town. Of course, that wasn't the only car we had. I'm just saying that was her car. She loved it. And this in here, that's just a box full of parts. That's the only one. I got 11 kits and one box full of parts. But that's it. That's all I got to say as far as that. That's my vintage kit. Y'all can see I have a crap load of vintage kits. I love vintage kits. Joann's my #1 favorite. A lot of these kits now. Oh no, I didn't. No, I didn't get them all. Here, wait a second. Looky here. Saving the best for last. Looky there. That is the IMC. Now it's got a little box damage right there. GT40. That is one awesome kit. See the parts moving around there. I love that. And then I got the other GT40. This was the early car. This one right here. I think it even comes with like 3 different engine options. You can see on the side of the box. It's got a dual overhead cam engine in it. Or twin cam, whatever you want to call it, overhead cam. It comes with the, I can't remember, I'd have to get the instructions out and look again, but it comes with 2 different other options for the engine. But this one here comes with spoke wheels, and it's got the different front end than the other one, and the back's different right here, where the other one's got a vent right here, and 2 vents here. It's just totally, it's the early version. And then this is the holy grail of the whole thing, and right there, look there, Mecum Lola T70. I have one of these built in a case up there. This one here it's got the driver figure. It even has like workhorses, sawhorses or whatever, that you can put the body parts on or whatever for a little scene or a diorama. There's the side of the box. Now I don't know what year that these are from, the GT40s and this, and I'm sure Tom, you can tell me, but I know they're 60s. I do know they're 60s. They're probably, you know what, I'm going to say 66, 67, somewhere around, maybe earlier. I really don't know, but they're 60s. And that is awesome. I love the Lolas. I got one of them built up there. Actually, I got an AMT Lola. And then I also have, as far as the T70, I have the big 12 scale Tamiya. Matter of fact, you can probably see it right there. Yep, that's T70 right there too. But it's the hardtop version, where this is the open version. But I love those cars. Alright guys, I'll quit rambling. I'll leave descriptions for everybody I said in this video. And maybe the next time I'll have an update for Seamus on our buddy build of the GT40s. And then, like I said, I like everything going on in the community right now. There's a lot of good group builds going on. You got the Pro Street group build, just several. So y'all guys go check them out too. If you're subscribed to me, please go subscribe to everybody I've talked about. Bye.